How to change your Discord tag without using Nitro. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you guys can change your Discord tag without using Nitro. So simply open up Discord on your phone, and once you have Discord opened up, now from over here click on any server that you are in. And after that, you guys are going to be able to see your tag over in the group section. So over here, my tag is going to be somewhere over here. Let me just search for me. So this is my tag right now. My tag is Ali hash 2595. We are going to change this tag quickly. So simply come back, and then after that simply go to your profile settings by clicking on the top left, and then at the top right, and then at the bottom right. After that, click on user profile, and now from over here, after that click on my account, and then after that simply click on username, and now from over here you can simply change your username to something else, which is also going to be very similar. So once you've changed your username, now click on save, and now simply put in your password. And once you've put in your password, your tag is going to be automatically changed. That is how you guys can change your tag on Discord without using Nitro. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.